This black PRILINE TPU filament offers a flexible yet tough material that is well suited for parts needing both impact resistance and bend, such as protective covers and functional hinges. The shore hardness around the high 90s gives prints enough rigidity to hold shape while still allowing controlled flex, making it reliable for gaskets, seals, and cushioning components. Dimensional consistency around 1.75 millimeters with tight tolerances helps ensure smooth feeding and accurate layer placement across long prints. When dialed in at the recommended nozzle and bed temperatures, the filament extrudes cleanly with minimal stringing and very strong layer bonding, which is ideal for durable mechanical parts. The large multi-kilogram spool is convenient for frequent printing or production runs, reducing the need for constant spool changes and keeping long jobs running without interruption. With broad compatibility among fused deposition modeling printers and proper storage to keep it dry, this filament remains stable over time and continues to deliver dependable, flexible prints.